Hi guys, my name is Marlena. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you guys 4 ways to style your dress with clothes you guys like. Your favorite dress, you can like put anything on, and yeah, that's the last video I did 4 ways to style your bodysuit. So if you guys like this kind of video, please give a lot of thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, follow me to social media, and please let's get the video. Bye.
I want to know you will be.
The dress is this one over here. As you can see, it's simple, nice and beautiful. I really like it. So let's go. First of all, I will start with this skirt, this jeans skirt over here. I really like it. I will see if it's got nice, it's got like well with the dress, and yeah. If you guys like this video, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. And I talk too fast, I know that. Let me go slowly. If you guys like this video, give a thumbs up to this video and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on social media, I will leave the link down below. And comment in this video if you like this video or not. Like this video. If you guys don't like it anyway, share it with your friends. Share it to your friends and your family. Please support me, subscribe to the channel. And bye, see you guys in the next video.